Welcome to the Evac+Chair Power 800 video. The Evac+Chair Power 800 provides a complete stair ascending and descending solution. It is easy to open and ready to use in seconds. It can be used by a single person, providing quick, easy, and safe stairway ascent and descent. With no heavy lifting required, the Power 800 enables attendants of any size to easily move passengers up to a weight capacity of 350 pounds. The Evac+Chair Power 800 exceeds fire safety requirements and emergency response guidelines established to support the Americans with Disabilities Act. The Evac+Chair Power 800 provides the perfect solution for any stairway, whether in your organization or home. Using a powered screwdriver, unscrew all screws and open the box. In the box, you will find the Evac+Chair Power 800, battery, charger including multiple cables, head support, wall bracket and screws, Allen key, user guide, photoluminescent sign, dust cover. Please retain packaging for any future warranty purposes. To install and store the chair, use the wall bracket provided. Use the screws to secure the bracket 30 inches from the floor and simply hang the chair. Your specific installation may require different fasteners. Fit the dust cover to the chair when not in use and attach the photoluminescent sign above the chair. Alternatively, the chair can be stored in a vehicle. Please avoid freezing or excessive temperatures. Engage the battery-to-battery housing on the chair frame and slide into position. Insert the key supplied and turn 180 degrees to lock battery into place. You may find it useful to split the two keys supplied in case one is ever lost. To check the charge of the battery, press and hold the button on the top of the battery. To charge the battery, slide the battery charging cover over and plug the charger in. When charged, press the switch below the battery to activate battery power. Once the battery is activated, the power can now be turned on by depressing the power button. Holding the chair by the handle, lower the seat into its horizontal position. Extend the handles on the back of the chair to assist with horizontal travel, and the front of the chair to be used as armrests. For two-person operation, the front handles can be extended to aid in guiding the chair up or down the stairs. To get the chair back to its original position, push on the bar on the bottom of the chair. Tilt the chair forward and bring the seat up. To adjust the handle height, press red bar, which can be moved to multiple positions for ease of use. To attach the head support, apply the support around the handle using the Velcro. Then attach the cushion to the front of the support. When attached, the chair is ready for someone to be seated. To release the tracks, use your foot to press the release pedal and tracks will glide into position. To close tracks, push the red locking release bar either by hand or foot and pushing tracks towards the chair until they lock into place. Ensure power is on and press either the up or down arrow to move the tracks in the direction required. The passenger can now be transferred to the seat of the chair. Once seated, the safety belt can now be fastened. On transferring, The occupant can self-transfer or can be transferred in line with guidance from their healthcare professional. Open tracks using the red release pedal. Then raise rear handles and the chair can now be rolled to any further destination. Once final destination has been reached, safety belt can be released and passenger can exit the chair. For stairway ascent, move top handle to desired locking position. Move the chair backwards until tracks meet bottom stair edge. Then tilt chair back to the balance point until tracks meet the bottom 2 stair nosing and press the up arrow on the control panel. Keep the up arrow depressed. Allow tracks to meet their glide angle. For stairway descent, make sure the handle is locked in desired locking position. Then roll the chair to stair edge. Tilt the chair back to its balance point for tracks to meet the floor and press the down arrow on the control panel. Keep the downward arrow depressed while keeping the chair straight. Allow tracks to meet their glide angle. At the bottom of the stairs, simply tilt chair forward, using your foot as a counterbalance if needed in a controlled manner to continue horizontal travel. The Evac+Chair Power 800 provides a complete stair ascending and descending solution. For more information, visit evac-chair.com.